Congress ruled Karnataka is exposing the Rahul Gandhi development model. Gandhi in the last few years has been very vocal for bringing Bellary jeans of Karnataka in world map, making it a global brand. But his government, led by Siddaramaiah, is even making this industry go extinct locally. On April 27, 2024, Rahul Gandhi, addressing a public meeting in Mallikarjun Kharge's fiefdom, that is Kallarburgi, was seen reminding the gathering of the promise he made to the people of Bellary during the last assembly elections and announced that Congress had plans to make Bellary the jeans capital of the world.
कि बेल्लारी को दुनिया का जीन्स कैपिटल बनाया जाएगा.
When I came to Bellary during the last assembly elections, I promised 5 guarantees and we have fulfilled them. Apart from the guarantees, I made another promise to Bellary. I said that Bellary will be made the jeans capital of the world. We will fulfill this promise also. A good jeans apparel park will be established and Bellary will become the jeans capital. You need not worry about it. I have already talked to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. The plans are on and your work will be done, he said. Interestingly, to ensure that Rahul Gandhi's promise is kept, Karnataka Congress government even went to the extent of announcing Jeans Park in Bellary and even acquired some land for the purpose. But a lot of water has flown down from Tungabhadra river since then. What to say of the world map? Bellary jeans is now struggling for survival. The summer season has adversely affected the famed jeans industry. Over 100 jeans units have shut, though temporarily due to severe shortage of water, leaving hundreds of people unemployed. The problem has been persisting for over a month now, and few of the units that are still running are using tanker water, which is expensive. Jeans washing units require water in abundance and its shortages adversely impact the jeans manufacturing units. Even water tankers too have increased the prices, putting a burden on these washing units. The Industry Association has requested the administration to provide sufficient water to run the units. Instead of waiting and paying more money to wash jeans products, some owners have shut their units for 4 to 5 months. This has left a large number of people unemployed. We have requested the administration a number of times, but we have not received good response, the Industry Association argued. But then, where is Rahul Gandhi today? And where are his dreams for Bellary jeans? Probably he finds bigger solace in talking about caste census rather than reminding Kannadigas of Bellary jeans these days.